Okay, so for section 5.1, we are going to be talking about systems of linear equations in two variables. And so we're going to look at several ways of solving these, the pros and cons of each technique, and things of that nature. But to get us started, a two-variable linear system of equations is a pair, so we have to have two of them, equations in x and y. Now, the general rule is when we talk about systems, because systems can be expanded, is we need the same number of equations as we have letters. So in this case, if we're working with x and y, that's two letters, we need to have two equations. Now, a solution to a system is a coordinate pair or an ordered pair that work in both solutions at the same time. So we're going to look at a pair of equations that they have for us, and we are going to determine if we have things that are or are not solutions, okay? So we're going to check on 4, and then we're also going to check on 1, 2, okay? So we'll take a look here. So we've got, here's our system of equations, 2x minus 3y equals -4, and 2x plus y equals 4. And the first one that we're going to check is the ordered pair 4 here. So we're just going to plug this in. So 2 times 4 minus 3 times 4. And we're checking, does that in fact give me -4? So this is 8 minus 12. Does that equal -4? I get -4 equals -4. So it works in the first equation. Now we're going to plug it into the second equation. So I have 2 times 4 plus 4. And we're checking, does that equal 4? I've got 8 plus 4, and again, we're checking, does that equal 4? 12 equals 4, no. So no, this is not a solution. There we go. Okay, so now, so again, it has to work in both equations in order for it to be a solution. So now let's check out the one down here for 1, 2. So I've got 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2, and we're checking, does that equal -4? 2 minus 6, question, does that equal -4? -4 equals -4, so it works in the first equation. So now we're going to try it in the second equation. We've got 2 times 1 plus 2, and we're checking, does that equal 4? I've got 2 plus 2, does it equal 4? 4 equals 4, so yes. So yes, this is a solution. So again, it has to work in both equations in order for it to be considered a solution. If it didn't work in the first one, then we would not need to check the second one.